Are you tired of writing massive checks to the IRS? What if you could legally shrink your tax bill, build family wealth, and teach your kids real-world skills all at the same time? Welcome to our guide to one of the smartest IRS approved strategies for small business owners, hiring your family members. Let's dive in. Why should you hire your family members? Hiring family is more than just giving them a job. It's a powerful tax and wealth building strategy. You can shift income to your lower tax brackets, get tax deductions for wages, fund Roth IRAs for your kids, deduct benefits like health insurance, and teach them real-world business skills. This strategy keeps more money in your family legally if you follow the rules. So here's the IRS rules you must follow. The IRS won't go easy on you just because it's your child or your spouse that you're hiring. So here's what you need to know. Kids under the age of 18 and a sole proprietor, they pay no FICA, so no Medicare or FUTA taxes. Spouses, FICA yes, FUTA no. Your parents, FICA yes, FUTA no. Are your kids over the age of 18? Then they're treated like regular employees. So make sure you're paying a reasonable wage for the work that's being done and that you have it all documented. No shortcuts here. You have to treat it like it's a real job. A little bit more on hiring your children under the age of 18. This strategy is one of the best tax savings moves out there. You can pay up to $15,750 in 2025 tax-free to them. You avoid payroll taxes if you're a sole proprietor, and you get to deduct their wages from your business. And they can contribute to a Roth IRA for lifelong tax-free growth. Just make sure they do real work, whether this is admin, scanning, filing, or social media, and you have to document it. What about hiring your spouse? Hire your spouse and deduct health insurance premiums. You can set up an HRA and they can make to retirement contributions. You'll avoid FUTA tax, but you'll need to withhold and pay FICA taxes. This strategy works especially well when you want to convert your personal expenses into business deductions. So let's say you have a 19-year-old or maybe a retired parent. You can still shift income to them and reduce your tax bill. They're going to get the standard deduction. They're going to have to fund their retirement accounts, but you can deduct their wages. Just remember, with adults, you'll also have to pay payroll taxes. And again, document everything. So what is the right business structure, right? Because your business type, it really does matter. If you're a sole proprietor, this is the most simplest and most beneficial for hiring your children. Are you an S Corp or a C Corp? You'll have to pay payroll taxes, but the income shifting still works. There's even an advanced strategy. So if you set up a sole proprietor management company to hire your kids, this is going to save you on FICA taxes. But do what's best for your business and make sure that you're documenting it all. Want to avoid an audit? Don't pay for fake work. Don't overpay your 10-year-old. Don't pay in cash. And don't skip the W-2. The IRS isn't against hiring your family. They just expect you to do it right. Let me give you a real life example. I have one of my clients, the Garcia family. So John's a sole proprietor. He runs his electrician business. His wife, Bella, she handles all of the admin work. And then their 16-year-old son, Tom, is managing their social media account. So Bella earns about $30,000. Tom earns $10,000. So they save over $10,000 in taxes. They fund a Roth for Tom, and they get to deduct their family health costs. All legal, all documented. This is how you win the family employment. So action steps. Ready to start? Okay, step 1, you're going to find real jobs for your family members. Like I said, social media, admin, real jobs. Number 2, make sure you check the child labor and IRS rules. Step 3, you're going to set up payroll and get an EIN. Step 4, you're going to pay fair wages. Step 5, make sure you're tracking the time that they work. And step 6, pay regularly and file the W-2s at the end of the year. Step 7, maximize benefits like Roth IRAs. It's simple when you follow the plan. Hiring your kids, your spouse, or your parents is not a loophole. It's legal and it's strategic. If it's done right, it'll reduce your taxes, it'll build your family wealth, and strengthen your business. If you need help implementing this strategy in your business, just click on the link below and book a consultation today.